Hey, what's up, guys? So for today's eyeshadow look, the first thing that I am going to do is I'm going to take this eyeshadow base. It's from NYX, and it is the shimmery one. It's like the white shimmery base. And I'm just going to take my finger and I'm going to apply that to my lid. And I'm going to do that to both sides. And I don't know why I'm taking so long, but that's what I'm going to do. Okay. And that to the other side, like I said. Okay. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, I think it's the round, like a flat brush, and this brush is from Coastal Scents and I've had it for a long time. And I'm going to go in using the NYX eyeshadow palette, and it's going to be this white shimmery color. And I'm going to take some of that. Okay, and there's a shot of the Perfect Filter palette. And using that brush, I'm going to take some of that shadow and I'm going to apply it right under my eyebrows. And I filmed this video like a week ago, but last week was spring break, and like the word says it, I was on break. No, I'm just playing. No, I just hadn't gotten around to trimming the video and doing the voiceover. So it's finally going up today, hopefully. So there I'm adding the shadow under my eyebrows, like I said. And then I am going to see, I don't even remember because it was so long ago. Oh yeah, I'm gonna use this it's like a blending brush. It's from, okay, forget that. I'm using the 28 color foil eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm gonna use this very pretty bright yellow color. And the brush that you saw there, I believe is the number 7 brush from the BH Cosmetics. It's like a rose gold set that I purchased recently. So I'm going to use that, and I'm going to apply that yellow color on my lid. I'm just going to go back and forth with that. And add some more. And it's a very pretty shimmery color. So this look is all, most of it is like shimmer. I use some matte colors, but that's why I put the shimmer base, because I was going to use a shimmery color. So on the other side, the same thing. And this is the first time that I use that palette. I also purchased it recently, and I really like this yellow color. I wanted to use something bright because I usually just stick to nudes. And there I think I was dancing or something to whatever I was listening to that morning. So add the yellow, and you can use any yellow. I mean, I'm just telling you what I'm using, but you can use whatever yellow you have. Okay, and add some more. Like in this case, I wanted to make sure to add plenty of yellow, because when you go in with the next shade, you don't want to lose that color, because sometimes when you add the darker shade, it can kind of overpower the one that you've already applied. So I added a lot of yellow, and there I am dancing again. And then using that same brush, I'm going to use the same palette also. I'm going to go in with this very nice matte orange shade, and I'm going to take some of that with a brush and apply it to the crease. And I think this is a very pretty combination, the orange with that shimmery yellow color. So add some more. It kind of gives you like a sunset effect. The combination of colors, I thought was really nice.
Oh, pink color. Oh, pink color.
What do you want?
Oh, pink color.
Pink?
Yeah, pink.
My daughter wants something. I don't know what she wants. Watch the movie.
Yeah, pink color.
Okay. So then
A pink, not a pink.
add more of that orange.
Okay.
And we're going to do that to both sides. Do you want to say hi?
Yes.
Say hi, everybody.
Hi, buddy.
What is mommy doing?
Ew.
What is mommy doing?
I don't want to.
You don't want to say it? Okay.
Yes. Want to.
So anyway, uh, you're going to add the same thing to the other side.
Little paper.
Okay. So we're adding the orange. Okay. And just blend it out as best as you can. I'm not the best at blending, but I try. So you want Dora? Okay, so
No, stay here.
let me look for. Okay, and here what I did was I went in with another blending brush and I added more of that yellow color over the orange. Like I said, just to make sure that we don't lose that yellow. Careful with the water.
Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa.
Okay, now I'm gonna hold on. So using this brush, I'm gonna go in with this matte shade. It's like a red brown color, and I am going to apply it to my crease. I'm gonna put that there, and I'm gonna do my best to blend it out. And you'll see me going back and forth with this brush and the one that I applied the orange to help that darker shade blend into the orange. So you kind of just have to go back and forth until you get, the desired look. So it does take a while, but I mean, eventually I like the the final look. So see, I'm going back in with that orange to blend it. And then this step did take me a while also because you don't want to add too much at once, and then you're gonna have trouble like blending it. So I just add a little bit at a time, blend it, and then if I want it a little darker, I can add more. Because once you add a lot, it's harder to take away than to add. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm adding the darker shade and then blending in with the other brush and until I get the desired look. And there I am, dancing again. And then we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. And my daughter wants another sandwich. Okay. Anyway, so there we're doing that. And you see we're going back in with that other brush to blend. Okay, let's see if I'll be able to finish recording here. Okay, so we're blending. See, I'm adding more of that red brown color. Okay. Okay, and here we're gonna take this next glitter base, which I recently purchased, and I'm gonna take this flat, like kind of squared brush, and I'm gonna put some of that base.
My best friend too.
Okay, and I'm gonna add that to my lid. And I don't know if you saw the holographic glitter video. I did use the duo, what is it? The duo lash glue. But of course, this is definitely better because the other one gets like tacky right away. And this is just the perfect amount. It gives you just enough time to like add the base and then put the glitter. I didn't have to worry about doing it in sections or anything. I just put it all at once and then I added the glitter and it stayed. So And then I'm gonna go in with this glitter, and this is a gold glitter that I got like maybe 3 years ago from MAC. It was like a holiday set, and I've had it for a long time, so I thought I'd use it. And then I'm taking this little, it's like a lip brush, but I'm using it to add the glitter, and I'm gonna add it to my lid. And I got a lot of compliments on this glitter because I went to the, I think I went to the groceries that afternoon or something, but I got some compliments on the glitter. It was very nice. Okay. And now since I got the glitter base, I'm gonna try to do more looks with glitter because I have a good amount of glitter that I don't really use, and I want to get a use of it now. So then I'm gonna go in with this shadow here from the NYX Perfect Filter palette, and I'm gonna put that on the inner corner of my eye. It's like a bronze shimmery color, and I'm gonna put it underneath there, and it's just to kind of tie the whole look together. That, and then I think I'm gonna go in with the another matte shade. Well, it's not matte, but it's like a little brown shimmery one from the Perfect Filter. Oh my gosh, from the Perfect Filter palette. And I'm gonna put it right next to that color. Okay. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with that red brown color, and I'm gonna add it right next to that. Yeah, come here, sit down. What is mommy doing in the video?
I watch this movie.
You're watching a movie.
Yes, movie.
Okay, now I'm gonna take this dark brown color.
I take pink.
Yeah. And I'm gonna add it to the outer
Order.
end there.
My pink.
Is mommy doing her makeup?
Yes.
Is it look pretty?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
thank you. At least we know one person thinks it's pretty.
I pay you. Eat you.
You're pretty too? Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, and I'm going to do that to the other side. And it's going to be inevitable. You guys are going to hear my children in the video one way or another. Okay, so that's the CoverGirl liner that I always use. And I put it on my waterline, which I edit because you guys know that I don't like putting my eyeball out there. Anyway, and then you're going to use the... Well, I use the... You're distracting me, Aaron. What am I doing here? The eyeliner, yes. We're putting the eyeliner. Eyeliner, say eyeliner. And this is the Wet n Wild Waterproof, which is the one that I always use. And I'm going to do a little wing at the end of this. Okay. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. There you go. Fast forward. Okay. And then I'm going to go in with my mascara. And I'm not going to curl my lashes because I need to get a good eyelash curler. But I'm just going to go in with the mascara and apply it to both sides. Okay. And that's it. That's all you got to do for this look. Here's the last look at it. And I hope you guys liked it. I hope you find it helpful. Say bye to everybody.
Bye.
Say thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.